Hey Nance, this is the my dog room. I can't remember if if you've seen it or not, but anyway, I thought I'd take a video. So look at that. That's supposed to be little Wilbur. It's actually a rug, but it was just too cute to put it on the floor and get trashed. And there's the cute little bag you gave me with Chi Chi and Chucky's Mock and Pock bars. God, I fucking miss them. And Wilbur's therapy dog vest. When we did it before COVID. Charlotte's service dog vest. Okay, let me step back here. Anyway. Win-win. Win-win beanie. This whole thing over here is win-win on the top. You remember I had this stuff in New York. Chi Chi. Anyway, that's a chair that Lynn had. It's really old antique and she didn't want it, so I took it. And horses, Shama and Liza. And see, there's one of the ladybugs you gave me. And there's the other one. They're just here temporarily. I'm going to stuff them with flowers, spring flowers, and put them out in the kitchen, I think. Anyway, that's my little craft stand. And then here, Jackie. Beanie, my ballerina. Charlotte Belle. Gally Sue. Gally Sue. Anyway, that's it. Think I have a few things in here or what? I got this bench from Lynn too. It was a church pew. She didn't want it, so I took it. And then that's it. It's kind of nice to, oh, I made these signs. Aren't they cool? I stenciled those. Oh, and then look, one of my students, look at that sign. Isn't that perfect? One of my dance students at Canine Camp Getaway gave that to me a few years ago. Oops, one more wall I missed. It's kind of nice having a room to display everything. I mean, I still have stuff from the rest of the house, but it's kind of nice. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show you. Okay, look at that corgi bag. Was that a perfect idea for the mock bars and pock bars to go in there or what? I think it fits perfect. Anyway, just wanted to show you. Bye-bye. Love you.